boys and girls. For this video, your learning goal is I can determine multiple meanings of words. And in this video, we're going to use the text, homes. A home can be in a country. We're going to look here at this bold word, country. Now, when I hear that word, I think of a couple different meanings. Do you? Pause the video for a minute and turn and talk with your partner about what you think of when you hear the word country. Press play when you're ready to continue. Awesome. Did you have some good conversations with your partner? I sure hope so. I know when I read this sentence, a home can be in the country, I thought of a couple different meanings for that word country. I thought of like country music. Maybe that's what they're talking about. I thought of maybe like a farm out in the country somewhere. And I also thought of the country in which we live, like the United States. What do you think the meaning of the word country is in this sentence? Press pause while you turn and talk to your partner and press play when you're ready to continue. Awesome. Did you and your partner have some good talk about what you think the word country means? Well, I'm pretty sure it means country like when you're out in the open or maybe where there's a farm or out in somewhere rural, like this picture. They kind of even look the same, don't they? Remember, boys and girls, words can mean multiple things. So whenever you're reading, make sure you take into consideration the vocabulary and the different meanings words may have. You're going to get some opportunities to practice this on your activity list. Good luck!